was a really interesting event. I think once you get so many experts in the room together, you can cover a broad variety of topics.
The industry has to talk more frequently. There are a lot of point of views, a lot of stakeholders that probably we haven't heard before, but we heard today.
I think it's the first event where we see the crowd, people interacting and socializing together, which I'm very happy and glad to see it. So what we'll be aiming for next year with more of a workshops and more crowd, as I said.
My main takeaway was that data and technology have a huge role to play in how we refine the supply chain.
We had a great interactions, between all the stakeholders of the cold chain logistics, and that's super important. This communication level, being capable of sharing what we know, having different opinions is super relevant, especially nowadays into this still middle of pandemic situation.
So a lot of which is going to stay as part of the supply chain that we know. So collaboration was important. The need for technology has been obvious and driven very, very heavily, and we talked about that today. There was a lot of debate and discussion about what the major challenges are and what those solutions are. So there's still a lot of conversation going on even now after the event's finished, and a lot of companies are coming together. A lot of the networking that took place here today is going to drive a lot of collaboration and ventures between different companies here.